Guys, this is Jimmy from Jimmy's DIY. I got my Tesla here, ceramic coated by Kevin, and this was wrongly ceramic coated by someone. He had to basically wet sand the car, do a level 3 paint correction on it, and get this thing done. Look how beautiful it looks. Look at the tires right here. It's like so nice, spotless. Look at this, it's beautiful. Now this is what you call professionally detailed and ceramic coated. Look at the lights, man. It's like sparkling. It is. It is. So Kevin, how long it took you to, I know you originally quoted me for 4 to 5 days, so, and I know you've been working day and night on this thing to get me my car back within like 3 days, right? 3.5 days, literally.
Yeah, so the original plan was just to do a polish, which would take 2, maybe 3 days top. So I allocated 3 days, but it needed a lot more work, and we needed to wet sand the coating off. It had dried on there, wasn't polishing off, and the reason why I wet sanded was because it was safer. It's cooler, it's not going to create heat, so we're not going to burn it in the paint, and it's quicker. So I really just put my head down. We got it done in 3 full days, but really it could have been about another day or so of work. But really happy with the results.
And it looks beautiful.
Yeah.
So I got referred to Kevin by my friend who got his car done here, and a couple of my gym buddies as well. This is how I came to know. Man, it looks stunning. It looks beautiful.
How it came in.
Yeah, no, I remember seeing smudge marks. Yep, I remember seeing smudge marks on my head, on my headlight. Yep. Yeah, we could probably snip that.
Yeah. I remember the before.
Yeah, because I remember seeing like smudge marks on the headlight here, and it's beautiful now. And then also like some of the glass had like staining from the.
Lucky with the glass.
Yeah.
They didn't coat the glass, but a lot of the edge.
Yeah, the edges. Yeah.
From where they coated the.
I can see myself in it.
And unfortunately, it was hard to clean up all the trim.
Yep.
Got it the best I could, but the paint and glass.
Yeah, no, it looks
you look at almost like 100%.
Yeah, no. Any recommendation for washing and then?
So
hand wash, I know it's hand wash.
Hand wash, pH balanced soaps, and I'm gonna give you all the aftercare wash instructions. So
awesome.
You'll have a good guide to how to take care of it, or I can also set you up with a buddy that's mobile washing. If it come to your work or house, and you can just hang out at home, and he can come put you on a monthly maintenance schedule and wash the car.
Awesome.
It stays this way.
Sounds good. Looks like it came out of showroom, man. Thank you.
Oh, no, thank you, man. I really appreciate it.
All right, cool.